A 50 amp RV generator is one of the most cost-effective and convenient ways to power your RV when you're off-grid. Living in some of the most epic camping locations often means going without plug-in power. And, when you're without hookups, you have to supply all of your own water and power. There are many 50 amp RV generators available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 50 amp RV generator from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Champion 12,000 watt portable generator. If you are looking for complete 50 amp coverage, meaning 12,000 running watts, not peak, then this beast of a RV generator is for you. At 15,000 starting in 12,000 running watts, the Champion unit is perfect to run your entire RV, including multiple AC units. This massive generator comes with electric start and loads of features you would expect with a premium unit. Just remember, in order to get 12,000 running watts, the unit is heavy and a bit louder than other units. Equipped with a handy electric start with included battery, plus cold start technology ensures a quick start in cold weather. The IntelliGauge monitors voltage, frequency and operating hours, while the lift hook, fold-away U-shaped handle and never flat tires make it easy to load, unload and move your power where you need it. At 15,000 starting watts and 12,000 running watts, this powerful unit can handle it all: lights, sump pump, refrigerator, modem router, security system, window AC. Number 2. Duramax XP12000EH generator. If you are looking for a reliable generator to use for a range of different applications, then you should certainly consider the Duramax. This generator is absolutely one of the best hybrid generators on the market, and you really can't go wrong with the flexibility offered by a dual-fuel generator. Economically speaking, running this generator on propane rather than gas is quite beneficial for you in the long run, so that's already a big selling point. In addition to this, the generator is incredibly powerful across the board. From this RV generator you will get 12,000 starting watts and 9,500 running watts in total. This is pretty decent and should be ideal for running your electronics in an RV. Of course, the generator is a little bit heavy, which can make it challenging to move around, but many generators around this size have that same problem. Number 3. Durosar Dual Fuel Portable Generator. If you are looking for a powerful generator with dual fuel technology, the DS12000EH is perfect for your needs. With 12,500 peak watts and 9,500 running, this generator is great for emergency backup, or to cover the needs of your 50 amp RV. This generator is highly rated and comes with a number of quality features. While it is a tad on the heavy side, that's the price you pay for dual fuel technology. All in all, this is a great generator for 50 amp RVs. Ideal for home backup power needs or RV camping. With MX2 technology you can choose between operating the generator at both 120V and 240V simultaneously, or at 120 only with full power, perfect for RVs. Number 4. Generac 15,000 Portable Generator. Generac comes with an overhead valve industrial engine with high-performance service for construction sites or campsites. With a 992cc powerful engine, the generator produces 15,000 watts, which is ideal for heavy-duty appliances. It has a compact size frame with a lifting hook and all-terrain never flat wheel kit that help you carry it anywhere. Its 22,500 watts of surge watts and 15,000 watts of running power is enough for power backup for small homes. You will get 120 or 240 volts with its gasoline-fueled 4-strokes, air-cooled engine. The Generac portable gas generator has a battery-powered electric starter that can run the engine within seconds. Number 5. Pulsa PG10000B16 Portable Dual Fuel Generator. Want to have something robust that will keep your whole household on the light during a power outbreak? Then, this one meets all the demands of being the best 50 amp propane generator. Hence, the potent engine delivers an enormous amount of energy for almost 12 hours continuously. To be added, the generator has an electric start switch, so you do not have to take hassle with back issues. In fact, the wheels and foldable handle of this one has made it movable from one place to another easily. Although, having a big engine doesn't make it louder, that can annoy your neighbors. Indeed, if you are thinking about the fuel selection changing, it enables switch and go technology for your kind information. Some key features: it enables switch and go technology for faster switching of fuels. With a very little amount of fuel, this one runs almost for 12 hours. It comes with 7 different and very convenient outlets that offer safer operation. It makes less sound compared with others in the market. It has built-in wheels and a foldable handle for easy movability. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.